Hey guys, welcome again in my new and very most important video here. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is dedicated to unlock smartphones, pin pattern and password lock with your face lock and fingerprint sensor. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked today. So further in this video, I will also tell you how can you remove your mobile's pin pattern and password lock without any computer and without any software. Yes my friend, without any software in just only 2 to 3 minutes. So before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphones should not battery charge less than 30 to 40%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your phone at least 30 to 40%, or else you can charge your mobile's battery at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone's password lock. So one of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe our YouTube channel. And if your smartphone will be unlocked with the help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next amazing and most important next video to help you further. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use the offline mode firstly, and in this offline mode, first of all you have to click on the emergency call option, and this is the emergency call option. When you open your emergency call option, I am telling you a secret code, and you have to use that code to close all your background running application, and this is very necessary step. And this code is star hash 12153369636963 star 1011 and hash, and this is the code. You can take a screenshot of this code. So and now you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this pop-up message to click OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, means totally 3 times, 2 and 3. After completing this, you have to delete that code. So after completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode, and you can see that the airplane mode of your of this smartphone has already activated. So with activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important another step here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your Android smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode page also, and this code is star hash 899 and hash. And as you will by clicking on the last hash button here, the engineer mode page will be activated in your smartphone mobile screen. The page of master unlocking will come in your mobile phone. Now you have to take some important step here. As you are looking at the number 5 option here, it is showing you the software version option, and this is the software version option. You have to open this software version option, and now you have to click on the option Android version. This is the very important step here. it has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning now you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here and 13 here, then you have to click it for 10 times, 11 times, 12 times and 13 times. For example, this is Android version 13, so I have to click it for 13 times, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So as soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test option, and this is the manual test option. You have to open this option also. Now some new pages will come in your mobile screen. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the sidebar, and this is the last option, the other page. Now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the mainboard version or database version 7 times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. Okay, when you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click on the cancel button. You have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, means totally 3 times. But in the 4th time, you have to repeat the same process again, but you have to click the OK button. Now you will see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked today. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page from this page, and here you can see that this is the device debugging page, and here you will be seeing many options here like that, but you have to find an option which is named sensor self-test and calibration. This is the sensor self-test and calibration option. You have to open this option also, and now you will see many options here like 1 option, 2 option, 3 option, 4 option, but all the options are in default operation not started, like that. You have to start it automatically by touching it, and here like that you will get to see a message of a test pass message here. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see any test pass message here and the failure message is coming in all options, so understand that till now your test pass message will not come here. Will keep doing process this again and again until your single test pass message come in your mobile screen. As you see test pass message here, by the way, you will click on the home button here and you can see that your Android smartphone is completely unlocked and there is no photos, videos and no any data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock your smartphone at your home in just only 5 minutes. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile screen. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.